Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. We have heard the third budget speech. The first was an interim budget, and this is the second full-fledged budget. In my view, merely looking at the government finances alone would not give us a correct idea of the conditions in the country, and therefore, in order for the House to appreciate the real situation in the country, it is necessary to give us what I would call a national budget along with the government budget. Government is, after all, only a means to an end. The entire government system is only for the purpose of enforcing the national policy. If that we so, first we have to understand the national situation before we give our judgment regarding the instrument which is controlling these national resources. So I would request the Honorable the Finance Minister and the government to give to this House and to the country at an early date a complete picture of at what position do we stand regarding our national life, regarding our production in the various industries and in the various sectors of national activity. Only then we will be able to know what we have, what would be our requirements, and in what way we have got to improve. So, in that view, I feel that we will not be competent to pass judgment on the real situation is the country with other only the figures given to us regarding the government finances. It has been stated that the first against inflation is the main preoccupation of the government. I agree, but I am sorry to say that we are not at all satisfied with the way in which inflation is being tackled. Experts in various fields were consulted for the purpose of eliciting their opinion in regard to the fight against inflation, and one of the recommendations made was that there should be a drastic economy in the government expenditure. All avoidable expenditure should be avoided. The government accepted that recommendation, but have they implemented it? They did not look into their administrative expenditure, and they did not care to find out what are the expenditures which could possibly be cut out. As a matter of fact, an economy continues committee has been appointed and it has been submitted its report also. But the first thing the central government did was to find out which were the development schemes which could be postponed or dropped full stop.